everyone. Warm greetings from Sri Shakti International School. Today I am going to share some information about learning algorithm. You know what is algorithm? Algorithm is the primary first step for writing the coding. After algorithm development, we are going with the second step as a flowchart, and then only we are going to the final step of writing the codings with any one of the specific language. Now we are going to see what are the benefits of learning algorithm. Top 5 benefits. First one, increase the logic building ideas. Here it's a first benefit is logically we can think, logically we can achieve some solution in the algorithm writing itself. Second one, steps are accurately defined. Each and every steps are defined here itself in the while writing the algorithm. Third one, correctness in every steps. Easy to understand. It's very much easy because it's human understandable language. The final benefit of the algorithm writing is help to understand the solution. So while writing the algorithm, enjoy writing the algorithm and happy and love coding. Thank you all.